IC Berhampur has advertised for faculty positions under advertisement number DOFA 2025-02. The recruitment is for various departments and includes positions for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor grade 1. Key details. Total vacancies 42. Application dates. The application window opened on September 18, 2025, and the last date to apply is October 20, 2025. Application method. Applications are accepted online through the official IISER Berhampur website. Positions and eligibility. The recruitment drive is for 3 distinct faculty levels, each with specific eligibility criteria regarding qualifications and experience. Assistant Professor Grade 1. Eligibility. Applicants must have a PhD with a first class or equivalent at the preceding degree. Experience. A minimum of 3 years of postdoctoral experience in a relevant discipline is required. Pay scale, pay level 12, with an initial pay of 101,500 rupees. Associate Professor. Eligibility, a PhD with a strong research record is mandatory. Experience. Requires at least 6 years of teaching, research, or industrial experience, with at least 3 years at the assistant professor level. Pay scale, pay level 13A2 with an initial pay of 139,600 rupees. Professor. Eligibility. Must hold a PhD with a proven record of leadership in both research and teaching. Experience. A minimum of 10 years of experience is required, with at least 4 years as an associate professor. Pay scale, pay level 14A, with an initial pay of 159,100 rupees. How to apply? 1. Visit the official IISER Berhampur website. 2. Navigate to the faculty recruitment section. 3. Locate and select the advertisement No. DOFA 2025-02. 4. Complete the online application form with accurate academic and professional details. 5. Upload all necessary documents, including your CV and PhD certificate. Important note. While there is no official upper age limit for these positions, candidates for assistant professor are generally expected to be under 35 to 40 years of age. It's also worth noting that the number of vacancies mentioned may be subject to change at the institute's discretion.